Hey guys, so today we are going to be starting our Halloween themed videos because it's October now and I'm excited for Halloween. I bet you guys are excited for Halloween, and I was searching on Instagram for some inspiration for Halloween videos and I found this super awesome cake idea. It's kind of like a mini cake and it's a ghost cake. So let's get started. So first I just took a vanilla cupcake and stuck it to my cake board using some buttercream. Next I just put some buttercream in the center of the cupcake, and then I put another cupcake stacked on top of it. Next, I just covered the cupcakes in some buttercream, and I was totally struggling with this because my cupcakes were wobbling and moving around, and it was very scary. Once you've covered your cupcakes in buttercream, you can now put your cupcakes into the fridge for at least an hour to chill so that the frosting can firm up. Once my cake has chilled for at least an hour, I now put my buttercream into a piping bag and just snipped off the tip, and I'm now piping on 2 large dots, and those represent the ghost's arms or hands, whatever you want to call them. And once that's done, put it back into the fridge to chill. So now it's time to decorate, so I just rolled out some white fondant, and I needed to cut out a 6-inch circle, so I used my 6-inch pan as an outline. Then I just took the white fondant and just gently laid it over the cupcakes, and then I went over the arm area to make it more defined. Now to make the ghost's eyes, I just rolled out some black fondant, and I'm using a circle fondant cutter and just cut out 2 black eyes. To glue on the eyes, I just brushed some water onto the back of the circles, and then I just stuck them onto the cake. And then I just took a dry brush to brush off any powdered sugar that's left over. Next, to make the little highlights on the ghost's eyes, I just took a paintbrush, dipped into white food coloring, and just drew on 4 little dots. Now to make the blushies, I just dipped my paintbrush into pink and white food coloring mixed together, and then just drew on 2 circles. Now for the final step, I just took some black food coloring and a thin paintbrush, and I drew on a cute little smile. And this is our adorable finished ghost cake. I love him so much. He's the cutest little ghost I've ever seen, and I think this is just the most perfect cake for Halloween. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for any other Halloween themed videos. And my social media links are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!